Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have another problem that we might see in some exams like SAT or FE exams. So if you try to practice for the exams, please stop the video for now and try to solve it by yourself and come back to see if you did it right or not. So the problem saying which of the following equations describe a circle with a center at 2 and 3, that's x and y, and passing through the point -3 and -4. That is basically that is 2 and 3 if you want to visualize, and let's say here is the -3, 4. All right, so do you say like what is that, like what is the equation describe this circle? So basically the equation for the circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. That is the basic equation for the circle. Okay, what is h and k? That is the point of the center, the center. Okay, which is the 2 and 3. Okay, so the hardest thing, or like the most important part in this problem, is to get the radius. And we have a video in a channel showing how to get the distance, the line segment, how to get the distance between 2 points, and pretty much it's gonna be the same thing. So r squared equal x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Pretty much it doesn't matter which one of them, like which one you're gonna use, but r squared equal 2 minus or plus, let me explain it, 2 minus -3 all squared plus 3 minus -4 all squared. So basically if you want to flip them, it's going to be -3 minus 2 all squared plus -4 minus 3 all squared is going to be the same answer. So r squared equal 74 if you did it by your calculator. Okay, so I have r squared. Let's put everything in the equation. So x minus, as we mentioned, is only the points of the center. So it's going to be x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared equals 74. So D is the right answer. Okay, so if you have any question or you want me to explain something more further, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like that, we're basically solving problems that you might see in exams as SAT or FE exam for professional engineers. Please subscribe for our channel, and we'll see you later.